Hey folks, Chris Walker here at Orr Auto Mall, Russellville, sitting in a 2020 Kia Soul, and I just want to go over how to reset your oil light or maintenance light. If we look at this here, we're going to use our buttons here and here, and then it's going to be up here in the screen that you'll see. So we're going to go scroll through to the settings menu right there. And our up and down will allow us to go and see what's here, but we'll go back down to where it was at the service interval, and we'll push and hold, and then you can see enable service interval. It's check mark. Adjust the interval or reset the interval. It's that easy. You just hit one of those and it can reset it for you at the bottom. And so you can set your own interval where you want it to be. Right there, we've got it at 5,000. So this has recently been reset. So we're good to go on what needs to happen here. So Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall in Russellville, resetting your service interval time and maintenance on a 2020 Kia Soul. Chris Walker at Orr Auto Mall, 479-747-0584. Thank you.